To send Bitcoin using Cash App, you first need to download and install the application on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. After verifying your account, you will need to link a payment method, such as a bank account or credit card, to fund your transactions. After setting up your account, navigate to the Cash App home screen and tap the Investing tab. From this section, select Bitcoin and then tap the Buy button to purchase the desired amount of Bitcoin. Before you can send Bitcoin, you must first enable withdrawals by verifying your identity. This is a security measure to comply with regulations and protect users. To verify your identity, go to the profile icon, select Support, and then choose Verify My Identity. You will be prompted to provide a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and answer a few security questions. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed to send Bitcoin. To send Bitcoin, go back to the Investing tab and select the Bitcoin option. Tap the Send button and enter the recipient's Bitcoin address or scan the QR code. You can also send Bitcoin to a phone number or email address if the recipient is also a Cash App user. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send and review the transaction details, including the fee and exchange rate. Before confirming the transaction, make sure to double-check the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin being sent. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed, and the Bitcoin will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. It is essential to note that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so it is crucial to ensure the accuracy of the recipient's information. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin using Cash App is a straightforward process that requires a verified account, a funded balance, and the recipient's Bitcoin address. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can securely and efficiently send Bitcoin to anyone with a Bitcoin wallet.